Hello dear students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 11.3. The first question is, there are two cuboidal boxes as shown in the adjoining figure. See here one cuboid is there. Here also a cuboid with all sides equal. That is a cube is there. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? So you have to find out how much material is needed to make this cuboid and this cube. What all measurements are given here? 60 centimeter length, 40 centimeter breadth, 50 centimeter height. So all three dimensions of this figure is given. Here all three dimensions are same. That means it is a cube. That is also given. So what we are supposed to find out? Yes, we need to find out the surface area. Which surface area? Total surface area. And then we need to compare them. So let us start doing. Now what all informations are given? Let us write that first. So we will take it as two different cases. First one is a cuboid. For cuboid and for cube. Separately we will find out the total surface area. So first we will find out for cuboid. What is the length given? Length is 60 centimeter. Breadth is 40 centimeter. And height is 50 centimeter. Now to find the total surface area, first of all we need to write the formula. TSA, total surface area, is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Now substitute the values. What is LB? 2 into, LB means 60 into 40. 60 into 40 plus 40 into 50 plus 50 into 60. Now multiply all of them. 2 into 6 fours are 24 plus 5 fours are 20. 6 fives are 30. Add all of them. Last 2 0 0 4, then 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7. 2 into 7,400. That is equal to 14,800 centimeters square. This is the total surface area of cuboid. Now let us find out for cube. What information is given about cube? Side is equal to 50 centimeter. Total surface area is equal to 6 into a square. Now what is a square? 6 into 50 into 50. So 6 fives are 30. 300 into 50. 3 fives are 15. So here you need to compare. What is the area of cube? Cube, it is 15,000 centimeter square. And cuboid 14,800. You are asked to find out which one has lesser area. So which one is lesser? Cuboid has lesser area. Okay. So you need to write cuboid has lesser area. Okay. Now let us see the. Now question number 2 is, a suitcase with measures 80 centimeter by 48 centimeter by 24 centimeter is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcase. So the measurement, the dimensions of one suitcase is given. So let us write that first. So what is the length? What is the shape of the suitcase? It is cuboidal because 80 into 48 into 24. Okay. So length is equal to 80 centimeter. Breadth is equal to 48 centimeter. And height is equal to 24 centimeter. So this information is given about one suitcase. So first of all, if you have to cover it completely, which area would you find out? Total. Completely to cover means total surface area. So TSA of one suitcase is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. That is equal to 2 into LB means 80 into 48 plus 48 into 24 plus 24 into 80. Now let us find out how. 2 into 80 into 48. 8 8s are 64. 8 4s are 32 plus 6. Now 48 into 24 we will multiply in the rough column. 8 4s are 32, 4 4s are 16 plus 3 19. 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So you get 1152. Now by 8 4s are 32, 2 8s are 16 plus 3 19 and this 0. Now let us add all this 38 40 and 19 20. 2 11 10 19 2 5 6. We got 2 into 6912 centimeter square is the total surface area of one suitcase. Now what is the total surface area of 100 suitcase? So this is multiplied by 100. Now this 100 suitcase need to be covered by tarpaulin of length is given. So how will you find the width is given, the breadth is given, you need to find the length. So area of the tarpaulin and the total surface area of 100 suitcase will be the same. Okay, so area TSA of 100 suitcase is equal to area of tarpaulin. Okay, now area of suitcase you got 2 into 6912 into 100, and here length we don't know, breadth is given 96 and we need to find out the length. So how will you find out? Length is equal to 2 into 6 9 12 multiplied by 100 whole divided by 96. Now L into 96 is 2 into 6912 into 100. So how to find L? L is equal to 2 into 6912 divided by 96. So both are multiples of 12. So 12 into 8. 12 8s are 96 and 12 from here you get 576. Okay, so 2 4s are 8, and when you divide here 576 into 100 upon 4. 1 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16. So we get 144 centimeter. So when you convert it into meter, you get 14400 upon 100. That is 144 centimeter. So what is the length of the tarpaulin which is needed to cover those 100 suitcase completely is 144 centimeter. 144 meter it is. Now, question number 3 is a direct question. Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. So, what is the surface area? Total surface area of cube is 6 into a square, which is equal to, it is given that 600 centimeter square. Now, from here, a square is equal to 600 upon 6, which is equal to 100 centimeter square. And from here, side you have to find out. Side A is equal to, how will you find out? Square root of a square, that is square root of 100. What is the square root of 100? It is 10 centimeter. So what is the side of this cube? Therefore, side of the cube is equal to 10 centimeter. That's all for today. In the next class, we will solve the remaining questions. Thank you.